So if you guys have been following us, as you'll know, we have a weird hodgepodge Jimny in that some of it's green and some of it's blue. Well, we have the solution for just that problem. We have you looked under my hood in the back. We got a door, we got another door, we got a rear gate, all with glass. Let's swap it. The hood is held on with 10mm bolts. The seats are actually held on with 12s. This whole car has really tiny little bolts holding everything together. Nice. Already looking way better that it's the OEM FG1 color onto the driver door. Obviously looking much better. We got rid of the green door. Now it's going to take a little bit of lining up with the lines. So you see this door line's not quite lining up. So you got to pull this up, pull it up by the door frame here with the window down before you tighten everything up. You can also refer to the last time you saw the paint peeled away. So looks like the door has to go this way a little bit. That closes better than the other door. Nice. Holy man, that was a mad dash. It started pouring rain. Oh, all right. Well, 9 cuts later, skinning myself. Just about every possible cut you could have on your surface of your hands. These 2 bolts right here, actually that one and that one, out of hundreds of cars I've touched in my life, those were the hardest and most seized Phillips head bolts I've ever encountered. It was so close to the point where the edges of the Phillips shape were starting to mar. That's how hard it was to get out. And it was 2 days, 48-hour soak of WD-40 penetrative spray. But the Jimny is all one color. We have some green parts over there. We have some green parts over there. There's some green parts over there. But the only thing we need now is a nice tire cover. We might just get one of those fabric tire covers because the hard shells are very expensive and the one we have is green. I guess I could just put it on. kind of look cool, just that accent of green. But either way, the Jimny is not done, but it's like back to the singular color, to the point that we can now start taking some photos and videos and all that fun stuff. So that is it for the current restoration. As of today's date, we got the interior done. We have some tails going on another car, don't worry about that. We have a steering wheel cover. Everything's looking nice and black and shiny. We got the 2 doors, the hood, and the rear gate. Till the next one.